Just who is Elliot Kane? Our search for answers took us several places, including into cyberspace, onto the popular social media platform Instagram. There we met Kane as his username, Clean Cut Rasta. These pictures showed him experiencing happier times with friends, including at a party where he snapped a picture with reggae superstar Sean Paul. On the topic of reggae and by extension Jamaica, we were informed he had a deep appreciation for the country and its music, which those who knew him say might explain him finding his way here onto Lincoln Road in St. Andrew. Here we met persons he has called family, neighbors and friends for the past month. Kane is said to have rented this single room at a cost of $5,000.
Night in a house, my dad here, I wonder, what I want in another place here? That's him come here and want to live here and there, so. That's me get up and I see this white man every day. And I say, you know, I don't want the people even think him are CIA undercover. Because through probably Obama might come in here, people might feel like say him is a feds. You know, but I don't know. This is surprising still, really. In a way.
First, yes, it's something like
first, yes. So white man just come and want for there so with everybody and behaving like him even is a black man.
Sometimes, like, you know, you talk to him and him just get him head does trip and him just start behave away, him up in your face and then something there. So me I say, what is wrong with you, Elliot? What is wrong with you? And then him calm down and then behave as everything is okay. But I'm surprised at this.
According to them, he had moments when they questioned his mental state. But things took a turn for the worse Tuesday night. These pictures, shared with CVM TV by his neighbors and landlord, showed a shirtless Kane. He had allegedly kicked through the door of his room to make his way into a bar which adjoined the room he had rented.
He was behaving crazy, cleaning his shoes, and we had to put him back inside. Cover up at the door and put him inside. And we're inside here now. We put him on the bed to lay down.
He's a man with on medication, and him not taking medication, so once him not taking medication now, them think they allow him to start act up. And from him start act up, it's like him can't control himself, him not really know himself.
But that was just the start of events Tuesday night.
Him throw out everything out here, throw the grease, all those are his clothes and everything. Him throw stone on the house top, all kind of things. Those slippers that you see over there, him actually have it on. He was getting actually crazy. Him lick off there, so him jump out and gone about him business. So I don't know, I guess that was the idea, to burn the thing because he throw gas oil and everything.
He actually throw half a black half of me. That's me I tell him to behave himself and he might go leave tomorrow if he not behave himself tonight.
They said from conversations with him and his mother, Kane was supposed to be in the process of returning to the USA. He, however, was not enthused to return after professing his love for Jamaica to them. They are therefore wondering if on Wednesday, when he was to either have an appointment at the embassy or to purchase the ticket, the realization of his impending departure might have triggered events which escalated to the situation at the embassy.
I'm supposed to leave 6 o'clock this morning to go to the immigration. To leave to go back to America on a plane by 8. And him just took off like he don't really want to go back to America. I don't know why.
His landlords are wondering if the property he allegedly destroyed in his fit on Tuesday night will be replaced.
The bed damage, my door right there to go to the bar, him kick off the door clean, gone into the bar. He mash up so much things, I don't know who I gonna pay for this right now, but I'm gonna need some money for it.
The situation at the embassy is also said to have affected the family of his landlord, who had learnt of the situation from the news and went to help.
And my mother and my sister get a call, so them hold on him, and them try to go for him, and them hold on my mother and hold on my sister. And them think they're right, because I help them and try to help, and from morning them up there. You hear me talk? And them need to free my mother and free my sister.
When CVM News contacted his mother, who is overseas, she informed us she had spoken to the head of security at the US Embassy about the situation. She also refused to comment on the matter. We understand his mother is a doctor and his father a lawyer. Dwayne Anderson, CVM News.